Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to migrate a WordPress website easily. So let's get started. This is the site that we are going to migrate. So this is built with WordPress and my client asked me to build it in my own domain. So I created a subdomain and built the site. Finally, after the final revision, we are going to migrate the site. So here this is our website dashboard and this is the main website dashboard. So we'll transfer the site to this website. Let's get started. So today we will use a popular plugin WP Vivid to migrate the site. So let's add the plugin. So this is the first website. We'll take backup from this website and finally then we will upload and restore the site on the main site. Add plugin, search for WP Vivid. Here it is. Let's install it. Let's activate. Here we got the WP Vivid. Now we will take a backup. So here click on the backup now. Here is the progress. The backup has been started. Let's wait for it. Okay, refresh the page. So have a look. We got the backup. So then we will have to download it. So click on download. Here it is. So it's being downloaded. Let's wait for being downloaded. So hope it has been downloaded. Yeah, we got the file. Now let's go to the second website. Again we will install the WP Vivid plugin. Okay, let's install and activate it. Yeah, so here have a look. We have the option to upload it. We'll upload. So let's upload the file. So here this is the file. Open it. Let's upload. Okay, yeah, so let's restore the file. I hope we have uploaded this one. Restore it. Again restore. Click on OK. Have a look at the progress. Yeah, so we can see finally it has been successfully restored. Click on OK. Now it's taking us to the login page. One important thing is that in here we will have to use the email ID and password of the previous one, the site we from which we took the backup. So here this is the site. We'll take the user ID and password. Yeah, it works. If you refresh it, the new site will come as well. Yeah, we got it. So another point I missed, that we have transferred the site from hostinger to another hosting server that is known as rocket.net. I hope you know it. Have a look. Yeah, this is the rocket.net, and our old site is hosted on hostinger. Yeah, so please let me know if you have any queries or if you face any issues during migrating the site. That's all for today. Thank you.